Dear children, now we are discussing about chapter 16. Who will do this work? Who is the father of our nation? Everyone knows that Gandhiji is the father of our nation. He worked for the betterments of Harijans and he tried to remove untouchability from the society. In this lesson, you are going to learn people who are doing the menial works, what difficulties they may face while doing the menial works, importance of cleaning, etc. Have you seen such scenes around you? I hope you have seen such places in your locality. Have you ever seen people who do these kinds of work? In the first picture, a woman is cleaning utensils. In the second, third and fourth pictures show us that people are cleaning their surroundings. Do you think these types of work to be done? Yes, these types of works must be done in our day-to-day life. In this picture, you can see different people are doing different kinds of work. Doctors treat sick people, teachers teach students, barbers dress the hair, cobbler mends shoes, etc. Are these types of work needed in our society? Yes, needed. We are living in a society and many people help us to do our works. They make our life easy and comfortable. People do different kinds of jobs to earn money. They work in different positions and different capacities. What is menial work? It is the work that someone does to earn money. Who will do menial work? In our society, people who belong in low caste do these kinds of work. People generally do not want to do menial works because these jobs are considered as dirty jobs. People need to do these kinds of jobs due to different reasons. They are social pressure, poverty, lack of education, educated people, those who don't get any other jobs, etc. Lack of education makes them unfit for doing most of the jobs. So, they do these kinds of jobs. So, dear children, study well and try to get good job. Importance of cleaning. Cleaning is very important in our life. If we clean our surroundings properly, then there will not have any disease. If the garbage gets collected in schools, houses and surroundings, it will start giving bad smell which leads to the growth of diseases and sickness. The place full of garbage will look very ugly. The next, difficulties of cleaning works. People who do menial works, they face many difficulties while doing this work. They have to bear the foul smell. Foul smell means bad smell. People generally behave very badly with those who clean toilets and drains. People consider them as untouchable. People avoid talking to those who clean toilets and drains. And they may face many health problems also. The next one, ways of cleaning. Some other ways of cleaning are crane. Crane can be used to lift huge amount of garbage. Next is dalao. What is dalao? Dalao means a big dustbin. The garbage truck lifts the whole dalao and takes it to the garbage dumping site. Next, story of Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram, also known as Gandhi Ashram, Harijan Ashram or Satyagraha Ashram. Gandhiji lived in Sabarmati Ashram total of 12 years with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. In this ashram, everyone has to do his own or her own works. Contribution of Gandhiji. Gandhiji and his friends worked against untouchability. Gandhiji has done all his works himself and he compelled others to do their works themselves because he wanted people to respect every types of jobs and people should understand that a particular job is not meant only for a particular caste. Gandhiji and Narayan Bhai Desai changed our society. Nowadays, untouchability has almost vanished. The government has also made untouchability a punishable offense. In this lesson, Gandhiji says us that every person should do every kind of works. By doing a work, we can understand the importance of that work and can also understand all the effort required for that work. If everyone followed this, then people will start showing more respect to others. Gandhiji's favorite song is given here. This bhajan is in Gujarati. Try to understand the meaning of these lines. Its meaning is, an ideal person is one who understands the pain of others. An ideal person is willing to bear insult to remove sorrow from other person's life. While doing all this, an ideal person should not have ego in his mind. Okay, thank you.